All right guys, real quick and easy today, I'm showing you how to make white bread at home. Great for sandwiches for the kids or anything you need bread for. It's perfect. Hope you enjoy it. It's an easy recipe. I'll have it in descriptions. Please like and subscribe. So, cup and a half of warm water, half a tablespoon of active yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm gonna put that in there, give it a quick little stir. I'm gonna sit this here for 10 minutes while the yeast reactivates. All right, so it's been 10 minutes. I got some bubbles going on, which means the yeast is activated. I'm gonna take 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour or bread flour and a teaspoon of salt. Mix that in. You can put this in your stand mixer with one of those bread hooks, but I don't feel like washing more dishes today. We've been mixing it here for a minute now. We're going to add in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And then you're going to mix again for like another 5 to 7 minutes. Now it's going to sit for 1 hour, double in size, so that we can roll it out and get it ready for our bread pan. All right, so now we have the bread or dough has doubled in size in this last hour. I'm going to flour my little space here, roll it out, flatten it out, roll it real tight, flatten again, and then roll it tight again. And then we're gonna put it in our bread pan. Flour the surface here. Bring it down some so you can see. Maybe not. Some, so I floured. Take our bread dough. Let it get all the extra stuff off the sides of the bowl there. Get some of that flour all over it. I'm gonna flatten it out. Roll it up real tight. Then you throw it down again. Flatten that out again. I'm gonna tightly roll it up. All right. So you got it nicely rolled up there. Try to make sure it's kind of like all the same size. Take your little bread pan, throw that in there. And then I have these from Brown's Kitchen here in Tallahassee. Little hairnet things that you put over it. Then we're gonna preheat the oven, and I have double ovens, so I preheat my ovens, and then I use the bottom one for the proofing at this stage because it gets a little warmer, but not too hot. Then we're gonna let it sit there for about 45 minutes or so until it should double again in size. And then I'll show you that, and we'll throw it in the oven. All right, so bread has doubled up in size. I'm gonna take and stick it in the oven, which is preheated for 425. For 30 to 35 minutes, watching it so it gets that nice brown but don't want to burn on top. And then I'll show you what it looks like and we'll cut a slice up. All right, so we cooked for 30 minutes and brought it out. And then I glazed the top with a little bit of butter. And I mean, she got a little bit of a lean to her, a little bit. It's gonna be all right. This side looks pretty good, so we'll cut it. Go ahead and cut off that first little piece. And that's gonna make some great sandwich bread for the kids. And then what you gotta do with this little end piece you gotta get rid of, like in the baggies. Made a little honey butter. Got the roll on here. This is good. That's good.